In the hush of the forest under the soft moonlight, a mother-to-be raccoon prepares a secret nest. High in a hollow tree or tucked deep in a forgotten attic. She is quiet. She is watchful. She is oh so wise. Here, in her chosen nest, she gives birth in silence. Two tiny kits, so fragile and precious, so small that they fit in the palm of a hand. They cannot see her as their eyes are closed at birth, but they know her warmth, her heartbeat, and her scent. This is the very rhythm of life itself, nature at its best. After the birth, she does not leave them for long. Only when hunger calls does she leave the nest to forage for food. Then she quickly returns, bringing milk and warmth back to the den. When danger comes calling, and sometimes does, then she takes action. She moves her babies gently, one by one, held tenderly in her jaws. She takes them to a safer place. And then another if she must. For now, she is the guardian of their sleep and their precious souls. In time, the kits open their eyes. The world is still new, but their mother is their guide. She teaches by doing. She shows them how to climb trees, how to fish the stream, how to tell which berries are sweet and which are not to be touched. Each night, their little legs grow stronger and stronger as she leads them on moonlit walks through the underbrush. They whisper, chirp, and give each other soft purrs. This is the language between them. It warns them or calls them and guides them. This is the language of nature. And when the seasons change, the wind begins to bite at the edges of autumn. She prepares them for independence. Not all will leave right away. Some will stay through winter, curled up beside her in the comfort of home. The love of a mother raccoon is full of care, patience, and wisdom, all woven into the very trees and stars above. For more raccoon and other animal fun facts, see you in the next video at Sammy's Critter Chronicles.